Hello there. The relentless rain across the UK has certainly been testing our patience of late, hasn't it? In fact, only those with webbed feet pretty happy with the story. There's been a lot of torrential rain and certainly some substantial localised flooding. But all that is set to change as we head into the weekend because of the jet stream. It's going to buckle its way up to the north of the UK and allow this area of high pressure to develop for some time, which will quieten the weather story down considerably. Before that, we've still got outbreaks of rain to clear away from the southeast and a line of sharp showers and stronger winds from the Northern Isles, eastern Scotland down into northeast England. Maybe a few coastal showers to the west. Sandwiched in between the two, something drier and a little brighter as well. Generally, we'll see temperatures around 6 to 9 degrees colder and windier across the Northern Isles. But high pressure will start to build in from the west for the start of the weekend. We've still got that nuisance low up into the far northeast, so the wind's still a feature and there'll still be outbreaks of rain across the Northern Isles and perhaps parts of Aberdeenshire. A little more cloud across the east of the Pennines, but generally speaking fine and quiet. With a few coastal showers, but the temperature's starting to struggle just a touch, generally around 6 to 8 degrees across the country. And as we see that high pressure building and the skies remain clear overnight, the temperatures are likely to fall away. So during the early hours of Sunday morning in rural spots, we're likely to see temperatures just below, but in towns and city centres, temperatures hovering around the freezing mark. That'll be a bit of a shock to the system for Sunday morning. There could be some patchy mist and fog around as well, but on the whole, it's a quiet story. Yes, we could be chasing cloud amounts around, but hopefully the cloud will lift and break at times, so some sunshine to come through, and temperatures between 3 and 6 degrees. Now, as we move out of Sunday into Monday, we've got this high pressure that's going to drift its way steadily westwards. And as the winds turn round in a clockwise direction, that means more of an easterly fetch, which could drive in a little more cloud off the North Sea. So certainly on Monday, it could be a cooler and cloudier day. It will be dry, as you can see, no substantial rain, maybe the risk of a few isolated showers along the south coast, but nothing particularly significant. 3 to 5 degrees, and with the cloud cover around, it really will start to feel quite chilly. Now, if anything, the breeze will pick up across East Anglia and the southeast. So as we go into Tuesday, perhaps that should tend to break that cloud up, but it does mean with any exposure, could be on the cool side, but hopefully on Tuesday, a little more sunshine coming through in sheltered rural parts. That means frost and fog could be an issue first thing, but we keep that dry theme. We keep those temperatures slightly below the average for this time of year, and that could be a shock to the system, having seen such a mild but wet December. Now, as we look further ahead, a lot of uncertainty, but the area of high pressure potentially could drift its way a little bit further north and west, and that may well allow these frontal systems to drift in from the north, and here we could see a few scattered showers. But on the whole, the weather story remains fairly quiet. A good deal of dry weather. We could have a problem with early morning frost and fog, but little in the way of significant rainfall to come for at least a week. Take care.